Hello everyone. So this is the experiment number 22. That is the last practical of this is Java programming. It is file handling about. This is the last unit. So that is 31, 32. Develop a program for implementation of IO stream and file stream classes. Practical significance: file handling is used to manage and store the data which performs various operations. Reading and writing can be done at the level of bytes or characters. Java supports byte stream classes that provide support for handling IO operations on bytes and character stream classes for the operation on characters. So minimum theoretical background for this practical is what file. A file is a collection of records placed in a particular area on the disk. And record is composed of several fields and field is group of characters. Storing and managing data using the files is known as a file processing, which includes the task of tasks such as creating the files, updating the files, and manipulation of the data. So file is a collection of records and placed in a particular area. And next, what is stream? In file processing, input refers to the flow into the program and output means flow of data out of the program. Input to the program may come from keyboard or mouse or memory and disk or network or any other program. Output from the program may go to the screen or a printer, memory, disk, network or any another program. A stream in Java is a path along which data flows. It is like a river or a pipe along which water flows. So that stream means along which stream the data will flow. It has a source and a destination. This stream has a source and stream has a destination. So here Java streams are classified into two basic types. One is the input stream and other is the output stream. Here source is there. For the source, the input stream is attached. To read the data, the input stream is attached to the source and this is for reading the data into the program. And for the writing, the output stream is attached to the destination. So the program will write on the output stream. So they categorize the stream of classes. One is a byte stream class, another is a character stream class. And here the question answers are there. Enlist Java stream classes and file operations and explain input stream and output stream classes along with its methods and explain reader and writer stream classes. So enlist a stream of classes and file operation. A stream will be the input stream or an output stream. Input stream is used to data from the source, read the data from the source, and output stream it is used to write the data to a destination. Based on the data they are handled, there are two types of streams. One is a byte stream and other is a character stream. Byte stream is used to handle the data in bytes, that is, byte stream classes read or write the data of 8 bits. And character stream, this handles the data of 16-bit Unicode. Using this, you can read or write the text data only, that is character stream. Explain the input stream and output stream class with the methods. File input stream. This method is used for reading the data from the file. Object can be created using the keyword new operator. And next, public void close. These are some of the methods are there in the input stream. Public void close throws the IO exception. This method closes the file output stream and releases any stream resources associated with file and throws the IO exception. And public int read, int r, that is how many this one numbers it should be read. Now how many characters it should read, throws the IO exception. This means read specified the byte of data from the input stream, returns an int, returns a next byte of data and -1 will be returned if it's end of the file. If it reached the end of the file, it returns a -1. And public int available throws IO exception gives the number of bytes that can be read from this file input stream and returns integer value. File output stream is used to create a file or write data into it. So public void write integer w throws IO exception. This method writes the specified byte to the output stream. Same thing, write method void array of bytes it will write. And explain the reader and writer classes. Character streams are defined by using the two hierarchies topped by these two abstract classes. One is a reader and other is a writer. So character stream class contains the two classes. One is a reader and other is a writer. So reader is a input and writer is used for output. Concrete classes derived from the reader and writer operate on Unicode character streams. From the reader and writer are derived several concrete subclasses that can handle various I/O situations. In character streams, there are the two classes. One is a reader and writer. Reader is used for input and writer is used for output. And file input byte stream, this is a input stream, file input stream and file output stream. Like that classes are there. So here example, develop a program to copy the characters from one file to another file. So here, so you have to for create copy the contents of one file to another file. First you have to create the object of the file. So here two files are there, one is in file and other is out file. So two objects of the files are created. So I have created the file. This is experiment number 22. See here, exp, open, click on open, so save, and then all files 22, no 22 simple is there, 22 22 is there. In this in file and out file, first you have to create the in file and out file. So in file, in there only I have created open, in file and out file. So in file I have written something welcome to PRP, and out file it is a empty, see that. And then I am opening open out file, so nothing is there here, it is a blank one. So I am copying the contents of one file to another file, in file to out file. See that, I will run the program and then I will show you. So first, where is this one, exp, open, open 22 a.java. So here file, there are the two objects you are creating. After that file reader and file writer. And file reader, new file reader in file, and इसमें copy किसमें करने का, out file में. So that's why FW is a what, file writer, new file writer, out file. So file reader class, which is a subclass of input stream reader, an input stream reader class converts the characters or the strings data into byte stream. Byte stream, which are the forms of integer. So in ch is a int type. See here reading, while ch equals fr dot read method, you are using the reader, your read method is there. So file reader fr dot read is not equal to -1, that is end, it indicates the end of the file, -1. So for that, if it is not -1, then you have to write the characters. Is it clear? When it is not equal to -1, you have to write the character. So I am running this program. Control C, Java C, 21 A. So 22, sorry, 22, 22, उसके बाद Java EXP 22A. So here file is copied. I will open that file and show you. So first of all, file is empty. Now I am opening output file. So it is copied. So welcome to PRP. So it is like this. It is copied the content of one file to the another file. And next, so this is one. And here, develop a program to write the byte of file. So you have to write the byte. Write a byte. So for this 22B. So I am opening file, open. (22C) is also there. 22B is also two programs are there. 22A. 22A is over. 22. 22 C is there, and then B is there. Exist. No, I don't want to replace anything. Cancel. 22A file, open, document, all, and then 22 B and C, two programs I have to explain. See here, file and output character you have to write. So write a byte to a file. Write a byte to a file. This one, file output stream object is there. Here test out.txt, and in this file you are writing write 65. 65 means alphabet A, and then closing and success. So in this file the alphabet A will be writing. So test out, just I am opening test. Test file, open. So test out. So here A is written. I already run this program. Is it clear? So next, in the command line you have to B. So I will open B also. Open exp 22B. 22B. 22C. So, C. 22C. So this is the example to write the file at the command prompt. So develop a program to display the content of file supplied as the command line argument. So for the file input stream null, this is the object, and file input stream arg of zeros. You are supplying the file name in at the command prompt. So while in read is not equal to -1 and write the characters. So just I am writing. So what is in this one? Command line in file is there, no? 22C, no? Java C exp 22C is there. C dot Java, and then exp20 Java exp22c. So here I am writing in file. In file में क्या है वो इधर राइट करेगा, in file dot txt. So in file में क्या था अपना welcome to PRP. So the contents of this file, you have to supply the file name at the command prompt. From the command prompt it will read that file. Is it clear? So that will complete this practical number. Last